we will continue our chapter, that is global warming. And you have last class you have learned about what is global warming, and why is it necessary, important topic. And we have learned about the Glacier National Park, which is in Montana. So let's begin. Melting glaciers. There are 26 glaciers which are in danger of melting in this Glacier National Park in Montana. So out of this 26, Grinnell Glacier is the famous one in the national park, and it covered around 440 acres in the 1910, but by 1998 only 180 acres remain. And if it continually this melting is in this speed, then it could soon vanish completely. So the melting portion became a new lake, has converted into a new lake by the water from this glacier. So this increasing of the temperature and the problem that is facing is not only in this place, but also most scientists say that the rest of the earth is also warming slowly. Okay, warming up to, and the rise in the surface temperature. So what is a global warming? They are telling that it is the rise in surface temperature is called global warming. So overall temperature of the earth has gone up to about 1 Fahrenheit since 1850. Now to it is more, I think. Day by day it is increasing. So this rise in temperature is causing many changes all over the world, and mostly it is suffering by the places that is Antarctic and Arctic region. So where is Antarctic and Arctic region? In the North Pole and the South Pole, right? So these places will face more because the North Pole and the South Pole of the earth is completely covered with ice. If it is, as it is warming, the global means the earth is warming, due to which this ice in the sea is melting in the region of Antarctic and Arctic region. So this melting may cause more clouds. If the melting will be there, it will cause result in the increasing in the level of the sea. And if there is an increase in the level of the sea, there will more clouds will form because of the evaporation process. So more clouds, when it will form, so it will result in more snowfall. So this more snowfall will be a problem for the animals that are in the regions where ice is there, like the penguins in Antarctica. So in this these penguins used to live in ice, means colder places, right? So they used to lay eggs. They used to lay eggs on dry ground during the spring season, but as the earth is warming, the snowfall has been increased at present, and due to which they have to lay their eggs in the snow. So when the snow gets melted, the water rots many of the eggs. So if their rotting will be there, then there will be number of the penguins. That is why it is decreasing, because it get rots, the eggs get rotten. So there are other problems like the sea animals also, like the ocean water is also heating up too because of the global warming. A problem with us also. I have told that if the increase in the level of, if increases day by day, it is increasing. If it increases more, then lot of climatic changes. Now also a climatic change is occurring. So climatic change will be there, floods will be there, natural calamities. So there will be a lot of disturbances. So we must think how to solve this problem, how to solve global warming. So with this I like to conclude. In the next class we will continue with this. Thank you for watching.